We have been learning a lot about plants and animals. Today, let's compare and contrast plants and animals. Remember, compare means how they are the same. What do they both look like? What do they both do? And contrast, how are they different? How do they look different and how do they act different? I have two pictures for you. On the left side, we have a plant life cycle. They start as a seed, and then it grows and changes into a sprout, an adult plant, which makes a flower, which makes new seeds or fruit, and the life cycle starts again. Next, let's look at the animals. Here we have a frog. The frog starts as little eggs that grow and change into a tadpole and an even bigger froglet and into a frog, who then lays some eggs, and the life cycle continues. Plants and animals are the same in lots of ways, but they're also very different. We're going to use a Venn diagram to compare and contrast plants and animals. How are they the same? What do they look like? What do they do? That is the same. How are they different? On this side, you're going to list ways that plants are different from animals. It can be how they look different or what they do that's different. On this side, you're going to list ways that animals are different than plants. How do they look different? How do they act different? Go ahead and get this paper now and write your name down here at the bottom. Then you can start writing your ideas using your very best handwriting.